So with this spatula on this scrub brush, I'm going to scrape the bottom of our boat. So I got most of the fin off, clean, but as you can see, everything left to live on our boat. So the goal is to get to warmer water, get her short hauled, and get her back in the water, I think. We'll see. There's a couple articles as well off the boat. I'm sure it sounds great. I'm sure somebody out there will be like, what are you doing? Reloaders!
See, he feels included, so he's not crying. Don't you jump off there.
Ooh.
Oh my god. Wait.
The brush got hooked under the keel. It's not for a swim. It's alright. Because I would have just continued to work on the bottom of it.
In there?
Now that we're in. Now that the scary part's over.
The falling part?
Yeah.
Other side?
See,
Ew.
every time something bigger. That's why I was like, I just need to go back and forth. I mean, you were cleaning the whole inside of the boat, and I was like, oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was gonna slow us down. A little bit of paint. My grandfather, he used to cause a little that big old booger. Yeah. Alright, so the dangerous side, a lot of sitting takes place.
Yeah.
You do not. Yeah, don't come any further.
A little bit.
Puke.
Oh my god. I hope you can see it on the GoPro.
Oh yeah. If you can see at night, you're gonna see this.
So bad.
I already scraped it once too.
Yeah.
I gotta like sit down too. No, I got him. I don't want you to get out any further. If anything, that's off. A little further. What's the matter? Ready to get wet? Yeah. See him?
No, I can't see anything.
Okay, good. It's like, it's too dangerous to shoot. I'd have to have the mouth bite. I'm not coming back to get you guys. I'm just gonna stay out here by myself. It's too dangerous. I feel like a kid playing with a stick.
You look like a kid playing with a stick.
Wish I had friends. Some people are like, oh, it was abandoned for 30 years, it was left to rot for 10. You know, 3 years of growth on the bottom of a boat makes it pretty easy to clean. So I grew up in Wyoming, and there's a reservoir called Guernsey. If we have any Guernsey viewers. And that lake, it's about as cold as the water here.
Is it getting the red Is it getting the...
Coral.
Heave.
Things we didn't do in the Navy. You know, though, when we do know that there's only a handful of other sailors out there. Uma, 9 to 5-less, Tarka, Zatara,
Delos.
Gone with the Wind, Delos. Man, this stuff Delos did in 2 weeks makes me know that gives me a lot of confidence. Coral, the shrimp are
My house. That's someone's house. My house.
So we saw that.
If you're wondering what the perfect shaft length is for a 25-foot boat, go with the 36.
Saying we saw a video
There's some things.
where this guy had put a 55-pound on an 11,000-pound sailboat and was moving it out of the marina at like 2.8 knots. And I had seen a bunch of redneck engineering online where these gentlemen were putting solar panels on the trolling motors.
I'm Paul.
Yeah. That's it. It's not really pulling off much else.
We decided that we both only need one pair of socks, and these are the ones that I went with. And he decided to go with
Red.
fancy camo red Reebok socks.
Subtle.
The scrub brush and the sponge that came with the boat are useless compared to magic erasers you can find at Walmart, so definitely don't waste your money there.
The swans are coming.
Yeah?
Yeah, here, hand me the GoPro. Here come our neighbors. Harry,
What?
throw away the bucket, honey.
So this is what we've been working with. The reality of fixing your own sailboat is that you have to sometimes pee in a bucket. It's in RV, boating, and other recreational activities, 5.3 gallon portable travel toilet designed for camping, which is better than a bucket.
Aha! Our toilet's here. So a review of the Camco portable toilet for RVs.
Cool.
Boom.
Look, you can. Which part? Do they go in the part where you put the water in, or do they go into the bottom of it?
I already went in the bottom.
Oh, okay.
It says throw in the sanitation tank. It's filling up the back part. It's got a little tap by the pump filled with water.
Okay.
Fresh water.
Not water.
Apple water or seawater.
No seawater.
I don't know.
Salty. Salty toilet. Algae. I see what you've done. You've gathered a barnacle and covered it in bioluminescent algae as a diversion.
Yeah, listen, I've seen you know that.
How much water do I put in there, do I say? It's gonna be heavy.
Huh?
It's gonna be heavy to pull it out, no?
Yeah, but that's the point.
If you open it like this, it's huge. What does this do?
That's the flusher. Come on. Wait, keep going. Prime it. Prime it, sweetie. Be careful. See? Delicious.
Nice.
And then you just open the slot below.
How are you gonna do this when you are sitting on it?
You don't. Open. Flush.
Pee.
Shut. You gotta keep. There's a Walmart like really far away.
54 minutes. I looked it up on my phone. The thing is, it's only 12 miles away.
I know.
But it's gonna take an hour to get there.
It's like San Diego.
Oh, man.